Well, I've always said that, of all the electronics in my life, the radio is the one that I count on. I have the greatest amount of faith in. If you plugged your phone in last night before you went to bed and the power went off 15 minutes later, you didn't wake up in time for work today because your phone never got charged. And there was actually a case somewhere, I think it was in Washington, D.C., where a woman was fired from her job, and she tried to sue Apple, I think, because it had to do with the iPhone. The alarms didn't work when they rolled over to the new year. And people just took her to task for not having a battery-powered clock in her bedroom to wake her up as a backup. And you know what? These devices are great, but they're so dependent on things like rechargeable batteries, which are not dependable. Everybody should have a good old-fashioned alarm clock that you either wind up before you go to sleep, or that has a battery backup and it tells you when the battery for the backup is dead.
Right, and if you call that SARTA line, it's 330-47 SARTA, and then when you get the prompts, hit 0, and that they might be able to get you transportation to one of the shelters. Pam.
My goodness gracious, and the mayor is correct, and so is the Weather Channel in telling us the temperatures are going to plummet into the lower 20s, and that's what's happening right now. We are at 33 degrees. The Weather Channel forecast calling for snow and windy conditions as temperatures continue to fall today. Now tonight we'll see some snow. They're expecting about an inch of accumulation. We'll have an overnight low of 11, and it's going to be very windy, so that's going to give us a horrible wind chill as well. Tomorrow we'll have some clouds and a high around 23, and then sunshine on Friday with a high around 29. Our drive time traffic situation right now, moving along. Not a lot of people on the roadways this morning, and a lot of areas have roads closed, traffic signals out, power lines and tree limbs down, so